How should we do this?
However you want to. It's your video. I feel like my daughter's helping me out with this video. I don't care.
Just say buttercup.
I'm a bagel.
Just say buttercup. There you go.
I'm leaving that in.
No, you're not.
Please do, please.
Yeah, I don't.
So what are you then?
Today
I'm a daughter.
My daughter?
Today I'm gonna be... Please leave that in there.
Daughter. Special guest. Lawrence Ray. So, y'all want to see some stuff that I got from Temu?
Sure.
Here, what's Temu?
Temu is an app that you can use online and download on your phone, and you can get super cool deals. And if you check out the link in the description, you can save 30% off your first order and get a coupon bundle up to $100.
Wow.
Pretty nifty, huh?
Very nifty.
So this video is actually sponsored by Temu. Granted, I got to pick out this stuff, but they sent it to me. So first, we're going to check out some seatbelt covers. Demonstrate.
Excuse me, sir.
Seatbelt.
This is a weird video.
You're a weird video. I need to do.
Hey, at least I'm...
Now is that comfy?
Hold on. I wanna actually like test it, but I can't.
Negative.
No.
What happened here?
You're only
I'm
12
mumble
years
jumble.
You're only 12 years old. You can't drive yet.
Come back here.
Comfy.
Actually, it is.
No, you try.
Like what? Hold on. I want to get my seatbelt to lock.
You won't do it while it's in park, dork.
I need it to be locked. I want it to lock.
So, I also got seatbelt cover.
Sunflower.
I want to try that one. Can I try that one? I like that one.
Different colors on the inside.
These are also bigger.
Yeah, and it's different colors on the inside. The inside that one's black. The inside this one's white.
That one's more like,
Softer.
it's more padded.
Yeah, this one's more like a,
Decoration one.
well, that's more decorative, but that one's softer. But this one's got more like the pleating design, whatever.
Fancy?
You hit me in the face.
Sorry. Another seatbelt cover. This is Moo Moo pattern.
That's for
It's moo pattern.
This is one Mommy wanted. So,
Here, test it again.
we'll put this one on under that one.
I am protected.
One for the
Moo
shoulder.
Moo.
One for the shoulder. One for right here.
I am protected.
So as you can see, you just put it on your little seat belt there, and it protects your shoulder.
All right, start over.
So check this out. You know that little cushion,
Armrest?
armrest cushion thing, right? Chair.
This thing.
This is a decorative cover. It's kind of like a pleather type deal, and it's got elastic on the back and padding.
What is pleather?
It's fake leather.
3, 2,
That's
What?
cute.
Now it's all prettified.
Oh, that's really cute. And it's, ooh, that's nice.
Yes.
I like green.
It's twitching. And boing.
Makes it so pretty. Okay. Oh yeah. Good thing I can edit this, huh?
Yep.
Alright, so this one, the box got kind of smashed in there, but it was probably me. Who knows? But this is a phone mount for your phone, and it's just like a little bendy part
It's
here.
a phone mount for your phone.
Phone mount for your phone.
Yeah.
And then you snap it on there, and it's got a little thing here that holds your phone cord. And you can loosen this right here, and it moves it up and down. And you tighten it up there, and it's just spring loaded like so. And it's cool for a little phone holder. Cool.
Ow.
Are you trying to hit us?
So next, you know what this is?
Is that
Cleaner for your windshield?
It is a windshield cleaner.
I completely guessed.
I'm not a windshield.
But it's got like a swivelly thing there and a little handle.
It gets out a particle though. Kind of doing. Ooh! That's.
It almost does.
Alright. So there's that.
Ow! You almost hit me in the eye.
Check out these stickers. I'll show you it this way, that way you can actually see it better. I'm sure we've all seen these, right? Put that on your car. There's 2 of them.
You can put that kind of stuff.
This is the little socky thing that goes on that window cleaner thingy.
What?
No, we can't do that. Here, hold that.
What?
So, you know how your cup holders are just like plain cup holders?
Yeah.
Well, they make these things. Whoops. They make these things that are like coasters. But these are actually materials.
It matches.
And it matches the cover. So we drop that in. We drop that in. Whoops, that fell upside down.
That it keeps it from building up water.
It absorbs the liquid.
Yeah. Or if you spill something.
Hi.
Alright, so since we're on the topic of coaster thingies, here.
What? Why are you giving me everything?
These are like a silicone rubber type deal, and these are Moo print.
To match this one.
That's that one.
Both elbowed me in the face today.
Sorry.
And the moo and the moo.
Mixy match and do whatever you want on that one. Bless you. And bless you. So, where's the cleaner thingy?
Back here. Let's
Alright,
throw it
so
at me.
not only can you use this right here to clean your windows, but then you can also get this glass film removal cream, and you can put that on there and smear it on, and it'll help avoid the buildup of film on your windshield. And this is her favorite here, a keychain. It's all sparkly and stuff.
And stuff.
You want to show off your keychain?
It's like if you yeah.
Huh?
Rope?
No.
What?
That's not what I
What?
yeah.
Dog collar?
It's the brother.
You're doing so much stuff back here.
It actually went behind me. See?
Oh.
And then here is a QC PD 20 watt advanced charging technology 3.0 something.
Yeah.
But it's a 4-port adapter for your cigarette lighter that you plug in, and you can plug all your type C's and your regulars, and it's got a 0.3 and a 3 amp there.
It's got a who now?
The different wattages and amperages and gigawatches and stuff. There's that.
I thought you threw something
Can I
back
play
here.
it?
Sure.
Is this a thingamabob? Oh,
What is it?
It looks like a phone holder.
It is a phone holder. Open it up.
Opening it.
After her favorite color is purple.
Purple! Guessing? It's just like a. Ooh. Do you have to like install it to your car?
You do.
She doesn't
How
have
do you
a car.
install it?
You put the sticky stuff on the thingy, well, on the thingy or like so, and then fit it like that, and then you would do
They didn't see that.
But what?
well, and then you go to and the not right there. You
You stick it like here.
and
You can stick it like there. And then what would it do?
it would hold your phone.
Hold your phone.
I got back.
And
Well, the cool part. Here, we've already done that one. There's that purple one. A black one. Another purple one.
Purple.
This is my favorite color.
And another black one.
I just got harpooned in the face.
Good.
And then for him, we got a chest harness for your phone holder thing. You would undo it here. Put arm through there. That over your neck. This here wraps around your back and then around your belly, and then snaps back into that.
You could just put it on like a shirt.
Sorry, Dad.
Yep, just like that. Good to go. It's back.
Don't you stop.
Hey, these things really work good.
As I got it.
Wow. I'm a...
This is a weird video.
Where's your phone?
I don't have it. You never said bring my phone here.
Normally you would put your phone in there and it would hold it so you're all hands free.
Do we have
and you
something
can
that looks like
do
a phone?
stuff. No,
Not that.
Wait, Dad's phone?
I'm using it.
What's up? Where's your phone?
Inside
I'm
charger.
going to get your phone.
No, you're not.
I'm just kidding.
Using my phone to
No.
There you see?
people.
There. They'll be able to see.
We
it.
also got a dual microphone, lavalier microphone that you plug into your phone,
Have a lamp.
and that box is empty actually.
What?
That's part of it. So it comes with a little charging cord right there,
Right chart.
and a booklet,
Like right chart.
I'm surprised you didn't throw that at me.
and then this is the little piece that plugs into your phone that you use
That's
to
the tiniest thing ever.
attach to the dual microphones. And the cool part is,
There's two of them.
yes, and you can actually use both microphones at the same time into the same device.
Can you plug it
So
into
that's
your phone?
pretty cool. And they're wireless, and the Type-C charger, like my phone uses, is what charges these
There was a butterfly.
and this. No, it's not a butterfly, that's a charging cord. So, but yeah, we don't need that.
Yes,
but,
listen, not me.
We're gonna keep those. Now, I do also have. Oh yeah, I forgot there's another one of those too. So there's that.
Ow! You hit me in the face.
Ow!
Last but not, hey, that's broken. Last but not least,
What's broken?
that thing was open. I got a fishing rod holder belt thing that you put around your waist, and that's really big. But you put that around your waist, and you put a fishing rod in it.
You're weird.
Can I make a joke?
No.
No. You cannot
I
call
don't
me fat on YouTube again.
Yeah, go check out my channel for that.
Self
Yeah.
promo.
Yeah, give your channel a shout out there, Lawrence Ray.
Self promo.
Third one.
So apparently I put this on upside down before done the video thing. So you can actually just take it off of the actual belt itself. On the side here, as you can see, it's kind of open.
Yeah,
like
he's not
so.
very good at this.
Like so. And then,
You can use that as a belt.
so now you can put that on
What do you
the
like?
same size there, and then you just adjust it here. And then it also has an adjuster here to where you can do that, and then it has a clip here and a little key fob type deal thingy there, and same thing here. Or if you're wading or something and you put your rod in there, you can walk around and
It's perfect for you
Have
because you
your
love going
stuff.
fishing.
I do love to fish, son. I do love to.
I hate fishing.
Yes. Can I help you?
We should go fishing today. That way you can test that.
That sounds like a really good idea.
I can film
I
you.
know, I'm so smart.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
I'll film you.
Does it fit all people?
It is adjustable, so therefore it should fit most.
Can we try it on me?
Can we try it on me?
Can we try it on you?
I don't know. I'm fat, remember?
So am I.
I was gonna make a really mean joke, but
Oh, yeah.
I didn't. I'm sorry.
All
And
right,
a
so there's that, and it'll hold a bait caster, a spinning reel, spin caster, something of that nature, and just make sure where you can
Do you
have
want me to
one.
go get my fishing rod?
Sure, go get your fishing rod, then we'll get outside and test that.